This is how to program a 12 volt fridge controller. Well, this model anyhow. That is what it looks like. I'm just taking the cover off to show you how to program it. Top button here is the set button, so to set the temperature all you need to do is press that button once, it flashes, and on the right hand side you can change the temperature you want the controller to come on at. When you finish, press the set button. The temperature you can see at the moment is the room temperature, which means the controller is running. Now as I put the probe into the water, it will come down, and when it reaches temperature it will switch off. There you go. It is now switched off. Now as I've taken the probe out, and as the temperature rises you'll notice that on 6 degrees it switches back on again. That gives a 2-degree difference. This can be changed, but most times you don't need to change that. And that is how you program the controller. Okay, thanks for watching.